Hello, Nonna Maria here. Today I'm making what you call it Sunday sauce. Okay, with braciole, meatballs, and sausage for one person, but I'm gonna show you the process. This is the meat for braciole, like I promised that I was gonna make. It's gonna be a little long. I see a lot of people telling me that they don't see the full recipe. Okay, I always post the short and the long one. That's the way YouTube tells me to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna make my favorite passata sauce. This has to be cooked. It's just tomato straight from Sicily, and some pasta de cecco. And you're gonna see the price. Here's the sausage. I'm gonna put only one because I saved the other 2 or 3, I can't remember, for tomorrow. Sausage and peppers, which I made once before, but I'm gonna make it again. Here I got the meatball ready, and here all the ingredients to make. Okay, be patient and stay with me. Okay, some ingredient I didn't tell you: hard-boiled egg, some prosciutto. You call it ham, we call it prosciutto. This is prosciutto cotto, the cooked one. A lot of parsley and garlic that we're gonna spread it. This is breadcrumbs, cheese, parsley, garlic, again, that we're gonna put. I'm gonna put a little bit more pecorino romano, more prezzemolo, and some sharp provolone cheese. Here we go. We get some parsley and garlic, which I grated and spread it a little bit. We put, this is breadcrumbs that are ready, that I sanded with little olive oil. Okay. More parsley. Some hard-boiled egg.